What's up, man up and welcome to our... Hello, what is up? Asa na ta? Shout out dahil sa kauban na mong kauban Dolazak Duyang, Derek Siga, Salahuddin Sangwan, Stephen Miraflor.
Somebody in my life that can make it full. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it full.
Let's go!
It's just me, time
What's up? Very good. JML beats to the world. Yawag dalan diri. Welcome to JML. Yes. The world. Magde-develop pa yung puyan sila dito. Nalalay po tayo ng brake. Ano sa mga scooters. No? Whoop! Dapat dito pang ADV lang to eh. Ito mga daan, lumalaban ng ADV dito. Alright, hello sa bit. JML. Uy, nalalong. Diyan na diha oh. Try natin yung JML mga pare ko eh. Hi. Woo! Look. Yeah. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Ah! Kasunod sa kanan diri no? Wala ako sa lupit diri. Whoop, 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 whoop. Dapat pasiminto ni nilangkon eh. Bili na motor. Puyag bakla yan eh. Kala pasaka, patay tani. Ano na magwali? Gwapo ko na magwali ay. Uya sa motor eh. $250 stairs. Hey, welcome to JML. Hi, welcome to the world and multiply. Hi, welcome to the world and multiply. Nata karon sa kuan. KMGS. Kaks, ug ba na ta Kaks? Ayan ako migo si Nelvin. What's up guys? 1 plus 1 equals 3. Good.
Ah, klaro.
Klaro ta koy. Peswaro. Hi. Look at the surrounding there. That is the city of the General of the Santos. And we are able to come here without the city smears. The Posporo is assigned to the people of the... People of the what, Cash? People of the... Very good. And there you go. You throw. Sobra nito ba? Alpak kayo. Ano, picture. Sultan.
I've been crazy, been thinking for too long now. Let it take on the world with two arms now. Got me singing right in the dark. No feelings I couldn't store it. Ooh, and I swear I proved all the ways I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I'm about to fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. About to take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah,
6,000 steps.
Wala good steps.
I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found our stress is getting just a little bit lower.
If you can see the future, you will see the everything. Dapat iwan yung chinelas para hindi ka magkaano dito.
I realize that we found the broken, way out in the crowd feeling lonely. Got somebody in my life that can make it for that one is just me times two.
One, two, three! Madlok, Brad. Ano ba pulis? Kailangan naman yung mag-prayer, Brad. Ayaw, Brad.
Ayaw, dili ko magtulak.
Isa.
Wala gani.
Ayan guys, lalo ka mong kauban. He is afraid of heights. Brad, ayaw ba? Ayaw, Brad.
Mukbang challenge.